Meaning of diseased.
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 Diseased. The word diseased refers to a condition of being ill or sick due to an infection, disorder, injury, or abnormal functioning of the body. It is a state in which the normal functioning of the body is disrupted, leading to symptoms which are often uncomfortable or painful. A diseased individual may experience a range of symptoms such as weakness, fatigue, pain, fever, and inflammation. Depending on the type of disease, it can be treated through medication, surgery, or other medical interventions. If left untreated, some diseases can cause permanent damage to the body or even death.